And we're back to learning CapCut in here, day 32. Let me show you this little audio pitch option when you speed up videos or slow them down. You can see that here I've got my last tutorial imported into CapCut and it has an audio track, so it's not just a video file. And if we go to speed and do what we did in the last video, which is to speed it up 2 times, we're going to cut it in half. And this also affects the audio. Obviously it's now faster, but if you activate this option, change audio pitch, this will also pitch it up a little bit so that it sounds like the Smurfs or Chipmunks. Sometimes you want to have that for a specific effect. Let me roll it.
Go back to the CapCut in here, day 31. Let me show you how you can create a slow motion effect. Click the plus right here and make sure that the clip is active in the top.
But for the most part, you don't want that, so uncheck it. Let me play it again. Now we're back to the CapCut in here, day 31. Let me show you how you can create a slow motion effect. Click the plus right here and make sure that the clip. And you can hear it's faster now, but the pitch hasn't changed. So again, for the most part, you want to have that unchecked. But if you want to have this typical chipmunk effect, then make sure to check this box. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.